Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got a 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse, and see what this. Yeah, this is 2.4 liter, so it's a 4-cylinder, and we're doing a oil pressure switch, oil pressure sender switch. It's all the same thing, different name, same part, different name. But it's gonna have the little pull clip right here. This is a 27 millimeter, so I got this is a half-inch drive socket. I got a little adapter on there to go to 3/8. And I see that this one don't come with a a little gasket, but I'm gonna see if the old part got a gasket. If it do, we'll put a little O-ring on it. So I'm gonna show you the location. So going on in the front right here. Oh, another thing is, let it do it when the engine cool, but I got this like Kevlar arm guard for used to do oil changes and crap. So coming underneath right here, and here's the oil pan right here. So, oil filter. Oil filter right there. And it is right here, actually, right there. So it's right above the CV axle. You can see it real good if you right here. That's it right there. It's a 27 millimeter. So you just gotta pull that plug off. Let's see. And it's probably gonna have some oil come out. It's got like a little tab that you squeeze on and pull it out. And then it's probably gonna have some oil come out when you take it off. So you might wanna have a little drain pan ready. So I crack it loose. Probably move out the way and get like a automatic ratchet and wrench. So I switched up to the ratchet and wrench. Oil pan ready. So put that oil pan down, hit it, move to the side so I don't get rained on with hot ass engine oil. So just hit that. Matter of fact, I'll reposition myself to the other side. Get all the way out the way. Yeah, here. Yeah. Sit right there. So luckily ain't no oil come out. Let's see if we got a gasket on the end of it. No, I don't have no O-ring on it. So I'm gonna just clean it up. Look, same as the new one. So let's go and put it in by hand first. Tighten it down. Oh, didn't realize. There we go. So I'm just put it in my hand. First, clean this up right here. Just knock that off. Clean up all around there. I was using my fingernail. Okay. Just want to hand tighten it down. Okay. I'm gonna let the tool do the rest of the work. And when you're done, all you do is just put your sensor back on once you tighten it down. Do not over tighten this, it will break off in the motor. So usually these ratcheting wrenches, they do it, you know, pretty good job of not over tightening, but just get it to where it's snug. Just do one more turn, that's it. That's a real common rookie mistake. Over tightening. Drain bolts, or doing oil changes. Where we at? See, just like that. That's it. I might give it another turn with the manual wrench and torque specs. Probably about 25, 15 or 15 foot-pounds, something like that. 15 foot-pounds. But that's it, really. That's it. It's 2008 Mitsubishi Eclipse oil pressure switch, sensor, whatever you want to call it. But this situation, it was leaking. They do leak, and you know, oil pressure let it come on, the oil let it come on your dash. Like you ain't got no oil. Sometimes you get a code for them too. You get a check engine light code. Anyway, thanks for watching the video.